Welcome to SOS Electronic. In today's session, we will discover how to automate and simplify component purchasing with our API eShop. Say goodbye to ordering headaches. With SOS Electronic's API eShop, your system connects directly to our warehouse for real-time updates, fewer errors, and effortless, hassle-free component purchases. This way, you can simplify your purchasing process and enjoy constant access to up-to-date data. Our intelligent API eShop solution removes manual procurement challenges, ensuring you always have the latest pricing and availability data. At SOS Electronic, we recognize that access to real-time information is essential for staying competitive. Our seamless integration connects directly with your existing systems, streamlining both procurement and inventory management. Key benefits are real-time inventory visibility with access to actual stock levels and pricing without refreshing a browser, frictionless procurement, you can automate routine orders and minimize input errors by connecting directly to your ERP. Resource optimization by minimizing administrative overhead, enterprise-grade security built on a robust API infrastructure, ensuring uninterrupted, secure data access. How it works. It allows for rapid deployment. With comprehensive documentation and dedicated technical support, we get you connected fast. We offer flexible usage thresholds. The standard package includes 1000 daily API calls with options for higher volume solutions tailored to your needs. It is built for B2B requirements, optimized for manufacturers, distributors, and service providers. With our system, you will be able to search across our complete inventory, access technical specifications and product details, open order tracking, and invoice management. We invite you to start today. Get in touch with us and request API access. Gain a competitive edge and experience a new level of efficiency in your procurement processes. For more information, contact us at soselectronic.com.